Hello, trading is closed on August 2, 2018. My last call said unless we gapped over this high, that lower prices should print. I also said the daily pattern was one with an early high, a late high, and a tendency to rally into the close. Typically closes near the high. Tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early high. Monday's is as well. Monday's has change in trend times pretty similar to today. MEJT says this rally is not for keeps. Gives us a target of 28.2289, most likely to print tomorrow. If we gap up smartly, it's probably out of reach. If we don't, that's my call. Someone sent me an email about my long-term prediction. Well, I will go over it over the weekend, but I don't hold positions overnight very often, so it makes no difference to me if it's right or it's wrong. Long-term, I think this is an impulse, and for 6 months now we've been in a consolidation. It's a possible high, but it's not the only high, and I won't be convinced till we take out this low. There are many ways to count this, and this for certain isn't the only one, but this so far can be counted as an impulse. If this is the high, you got your 1, your 2, your 3, and instead of this being ABC for wave 4, this could be ABC for wave 4 here. It is negative that after climbing all day, we didn't close over the middle of the day high, but that's easily remedied if we gap up and take this high out promptly. It's not enough to make me negative overnight, I'll tell you that. Here's the target. If we gap up smartly at the open, it's probably out of reach. Otherwise, that's my call. And that's today's call.